I turned $100 into over $10,000 in 5 years, and I'm showing you the exact steps you don't need to be rich to start investing. Here's how to do it. Welcome back to Wealth Decoded. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. That's a lie. The biggest companies in the world will let you invest with pocket change. I'm breaking down exactly where to put your first $100, which apps to use, and the biggest mistakes that cost beginners thousands. Let's decode this. First, where do you actually invest? You need a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account, but for stocks. Here are the 3 best apps for beginners. Number 1, Robinhood, 0 fees, super simple interface. You can buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of expensive stocks with just dollars. Number 2, Webull, also 0 fees. Better research tools than Robinhood. They give you 2 free stocks just for signing up. Number 3, Fidelity, the most trusted name, been around forever. Also 0 fees. Better customer service than the apps. Pick one, download it, link your bank account, transfer your $100. You're officially ready to invest. It takes 10 minutes. Now here's what to buy. And this is where most beginners mess up. They try to pick individual stocks. Apple, Tesla, Amazon. That's gambling, not investing. Here's the smart move. Index funds, specifically S&P 500 index funds. The S&P 500 is the 500 biggest companies in America. When you buy an index fund, you own a tiny piece of all 500. Why this matters? If Apple has a bad year, Microsoft might have a great year. You're diversified. Over the last 50 years, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. Here's what that means for your $100. After 1 year, you have $110. After 5 years, $161. After 10 years, $259. After 30 years, $1,745. And that's without adding another dollar. Just your initial 100. But the magic happens when you keep adding money. This is the secret that changes everything. Investing $100 once won't make you rich. Investing $100 every month? That's life-changing. Let's run the numbers. $100 per month at 10% annual returns. After 5 years, you have $7,764. You only invested $6,000. You earned $1,764 in gains. After 10 years, $20,484. You invested $12,000. You earned $8,484. After 30 years, $226,000. You invested $36,000. You earned $190,000 in gains. That's the power of compound interest. Your money makes money. Then that money makes money. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. Set up automatic investing. Every month, $100 automatically goes from your bank to your brokerage. You never see it, you never miss it. 30 years later, you're wealthy. So which index fund do you buy? Here are the 3 most popular. VOO. This is Vanguard's S&P 500 fund. Expense ratio 0.03%. That means it costs $3 per year for every $10,000 invested. Super cheap. SPY. This is the oldest S&P 500 fund. Slightly higher fees. 0.09%. Still very cheap. IVV. This is BlackRock's version. Also tracks the S&P 500. 0.03% fees. All 3 are basically identical. They all track the same 500 companies. Pick anyone. You can't go wrong. I personally use VOO. Before we wrap up, 3 mistakes that destroy beginner investors. Mistake 1, trying to time the market. People wait for a crash to invest. But no one can predict crashes. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Just start. Mistake 2, selling when the market drops. The market will drop. It always does. 2020 crashed, 2022 crashed. But if you held through those crashes, you made all your money back and more. Never sell during a crash. Actually buy more if you can. Mistake 3, not starting because you think $100 isn't enough. $100 today is worth more than $1,000 in 10 years. Because time is the most powerful investing tool. Start small, start now. You can always add more later. So here's your action plan for this week. Step 1. Download Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity. Step 2. Transfer $100. Step 3. Buy VOO, SPY, or IVV. Step 4. Set up automatic monthly investing. Even if it's just $50 per month, you're not going to get rich overnight. But in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you'll look back at today as the day everything changed. The day you stopped being scared of investing. The day you started building wealth. If this was valuable, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm breaking down wealth strategies that actually work every week. Comment one question you still have about investing. I'll answer every single one. We're entering the final weeks of 2025. Don't let another year pass without starting. See you in the next one. Stay wealthy.